Healthy brain, happier life, achieving happiness. Mastering the 30-minute exercise challenge.
Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: strengthening all the muscles of your body from the comfort of your own home. By dedicating just 30 minutes a day, you can achieve remarkable results and experience a happier, healthier life. So, let's dive right in. Before we begin, it's important to warm up your body. Start with some light cardio exercises like jogging in place or jumping jacks for 5 minutes. This will get your blood flowing and prepare your muscles for the workout ahead.
Now, let's move on to the main exercises. We'll focus on 5 key areas: upper body, lower body, core, back, and flexibility. Each exercise should be performed for 3 sets of 12 repetitions.
1. Upper body. Push-ups. This classic exercise targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Start in a plank position. And lower your body until your chest is just above the ground. Push back up to the starting position. 2. Lower body. Squats. Squats work your glutes, quadriceps, and hamstrings. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body by bending your knees, and push back up to the starting position. 3. Core. Plank. Planks engage your entire core, including your abs and back muscles. Start in a push-up position, resting on your forearms, and hold the position for 30 seconds to 1 minute. 4. Back. Superman. Lie face down with your arms extended in front of you. Lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground simultaneously, squeezing your back muscles. Hold for a few seconds and then lower back down. 5. Flexibility. Yoga stretches. Incorporating yoga stretches like downward dog, cat-cow, and child's pose can help improve flexibility and release tension in your muscles. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds to 1 minute.
Green tea contains caffeine and catechins, which are compounds that have been shown to boost metabolism and burn fat. Green tea is also a good source of antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage.
Water is essential for good health. It helps to flush out toxins and keep your body hydrated. When you are dehydrated, your body holds onto water weight, which can make your stomach look bigger.
Coffee contains caffeine, which can help to boost your metabolism and improve your energy levels. However, it is important to drink it in moderation, as too much caffeine can be harmful.
Protein shakes can help you to build muscle and lose weight. They are a good source of protein, which is essential for repairing and building muscle tissue. When you build muscle, your metabolism increases, which can help you to burn more calories. Exercise makes our brain happy in a number of ways. It releases endorphins, which are hormones that have mood-boosting effects.
It also helps to improve our self-esteem and reduce stress levels.
Additionally, exercise can help to improve our sleep, which can further boost our mood. Remember, it's crucial to maintain proper form throughout each exercise. Focus on quality over quantity. If you're a beginner, start with lighter weights or modify the exercises to suit your fitness level. And always listen to your body. If something feels uncomfortable or painful, stop and consult a professional. Consistency is key. By dedicating just 30 minutes a day to these exercises, you'll start noticing improvements within a few weeks. Not only will your muscles become stronger and more toned, but regular exercise releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones, promoting a happier and more positive mindset.
That's a wrap for today's video, folks. Remember, a stronger body leads to a happier life. So, grab your workout gear, set aside 30 minutes each day, and let's embark on this incredible journey together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest fitness tips. Until next time, stay fit and stay happy.